Novelty for us is excitement and experience, surprise and science, cheerfulness and joy, hope and happiness, boldness and buoyancy, positiveness and passion. Good morning everyone. I, Ayurika Tripathi, Department of Biotechnology, welcome you all on this beautiful, energetic Friday morning, and I also extend a warm gratitude for giving me this opportunity to welcome the freshers into our small family of biotechnology on the occasion of Biotechyons 2021. A day without prayer is a day without blessing, and a life without prayer is a life without power. Every great movement of God can be traced for a brighter and successful day. I request you all to stand up for the prayer song. Light fades away darkness. Light symbolizes knowledge and wisdom, free will. To solemnize this special invitation, I would like to entreat the dignitaries on the dais to illuminate this lamp lighting.
All boys in the performance.
Ready? Sir? Sir, banga? Bang, sir?
And a great welcome makes a merry feast. Now I request our respected Sir Dr. A. Sai Ramesh, Associate Professor of Department of Biotechnology, to welcome the gathering.
All who have gathered here, respectable principal, distinguished deans, academics and various departments, solicitous heads of all departments, and amicable dean of biotech, amiable HOD of biotech, my endeared colleagues and my dear students, I welcome you all for Biotechyons VT21. First of all, thank you. First of all, I would like to give a brief introduction about Biotechyons, from where we have moved on to Biotechyons as an event. Biotechyons is the club inaugurated in 2018. The year I have joined here for assistant professor. From there on, we are conducting the Biotechyons as an event for the past 4 years. Successfully, we have conducted 3 Biotechyons, VT18, VT19, VT20, and this is the 4th successful year we are conducting the Biotechyons VT21. Biotechyons club is for the students, and Biotechyons VT20, 21 and all the other Biotechyons that was being conducted as an event is organized by the final years of that particular academic year. That is the speciality of the event. Every Biotechyons event will be organized by the final years. They will organize it in the way it has to be organized, in a very amicable way, and for year after year the success has only because of the final years. So this year the Biotechyons VT21 is organized by the 2018 to 22 batch, who has, you would have seen it in a different perspective which was being conducted from the earlier way. This means that the event grows well and the success is more or less being taken by the student. So I do not want to take much of your time. Let me just welcome you all again for this event, and the event will be having 3 most important things. The very first thing is the idea presentation, which will help each and every candidate who move out of the institute to present their idea and present their papers. The second most is the technical quiz, where we try to inculcate the student how to present themselves during the quiz and how to answer the questions in fractions of seconds. That will be taught to them. And last and most important thing is the managerial skills that needs to be developed for the employability that happens for the final year students. With this little note, I welcome each and everyone who are here and the dignitaries on the dais and off the dais. Thank you.
Thank for encouraging your words. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, when you're not sure, then you're a leader. Now, I request our Honorable Principal, Dr. E. Kamalanabhan, to come and inspire us with his few words.
Dr. Yuvraj, School of Biochemical Engineering. Our first year Dean, Science and Humanities, Professor Dr. Nagashankar. Our Head of the Department, Dr. Gnanasekharan. And our Associate Dean of IAC, Institute Innovation Council, and other heads, deputy deans, faculty members, and my dear students. A very good morning, all of you. It's a great day to have this, club activity, Biotechyons 21, really good. And like Dr. Sai Ramesh was saying that started in the year 2018 and continuously, taking this event, and the success goes in that way, continuously making it to happen in the campus, and the students are really involving and doing something, organizing the event, and by that you are getting some skills. So really, the college now aims or focus on skills. I think here second, third, final year, the crowd is here. Yes, second, third and final years. Students and faculty members should come to know the agenda of the institute. So then you can look what kind of learning here, or we are trying for that. So that is what our aim, objective and motto. So therefore, backside no talking please. Lifelong we are talking what you achieve out of that. Lifelong if you do something good, that makes miracles. Lifelong talking unnecessarily, without any fruitful results, that makes nothing. So therefore try to understand that every day when you come, what kind of learning that you have in the institute. That is what we wanted here. We are now today as Autonomous Institute, we are focusing much beyond classroom teaching. One best example is this Biotechyons. One best example is a kind of club, Biotechyons. Like he was saying that idea presentation, technical course and various other events which students are going to participate and you are going to exhibit your talents. Right. So this is something, skilling the student, exploring the talents. I request my dear students, you think, much beyond classroom what you want to do when you come here. That's what my, idea to present before you. Every day when you come here, don't come just like that, don't walk in like that. And something which happens in the classroom, every hour that faculty come and take some class, okay, good, fine. That is a minimum requirement for you. Classroom teaching. You should also understand that really with this classroom teaching, myself able to get a job in the market, or is it I can go a very good next level, of going for some MS studies or whatever it may be, higher education. Is it this particular knowledge alone is enough for me to go to the next level? That may be of industry or of higher studies. Assess yourself where you are. Try to understand your weakness. I may do something which is very minimum like to say a few, positively. But I may not know much of what is my weakness. What is my weakness actually. Every individual, you need to understand the caliber, the potential of the candidate, where we stand. Really, we are learning something so that we meet the demand. We meet the industry demand. Or we meet the higher studies, like where you want to pursue your MS, for which what the universities at abroad is expecting the credentials from the students, so that they offer the best scholarship. Waiving off your tuition fees, it is about 10 to 15 lakhs. My dear students, I am saying today, students are very passionate in applying MS studies. I don't think, really. If you are going with free of cost, really I appreciate. Really, with your credentials, with your hard work, doing lot of mini projects, publishing lot of articles, right? Getting through some skills, right, on latest technologies, going for some patents, right? So attending some value-added programs which are reasonably good, certificate oriented. So likewise, the span of these 4 years, if you are in that level and trying to achieve something and make your profile very strong and apply for MS studies. Don't make the parents to struggle again, because they are supporting for this 4 years of education. It may make some 6 to 8 lakhs rupees inclusive of all expenses. And again, you make the parent, if somebody has some good savings, in the bank or in the pocket or at home in the bureau, something like that, currency notes, no problem actually. But I think many of them who are coming here is a middle level, average. Really, I think they can meet the requirement, that's all. But beyond that, they cannot go. So in that situation, going for a loan and borrowing, again spending money and huge money, and what to say, that if you want to fly for abroad for this MS, higher studies, all these things, I don't think that helps. Or you do one thing. 4 years you study here, and get employed elsewhere in the industry, gain some experience, 3 or 4 years, get some good experience along with your maturity level. That you are capable enough, that you can hit, and that you can, achieve, that you can get your MS in your hand without any, at free of cost. So that makes more happy, even for parents or you, or even the minimum requirements after your education, 4 years of this education, you are meeting something, meeting the requirements, stabilizing your financial aspects, at home, and then you are leaving, the place where you want to study higher studies. Rather, somebody says some useless agencies, all these, cheating fellows, making it people, to roam and, saying that 5 lakhs, 10 lakhs, for some, that percentage, amount. These brokers, all are brokers. These brokers will play major role actually. What the amount of fees they pay in the university and what percentage that they are going to take, from these people actually. Many of them, they are not unaware. They think that if my son goes or daughter goes to MS, she settles there itself, thereafter. And they earn much more money, and they can see the requirements of fulfilling the dreams. Nothing like that. Why? Because we are looking here, some, they come regularly and, floating their requirements, MS, that, this, some universities when we see, I do not know where those universities with QS ranking. Where are those universities with QS ranking in the world actually? It is not there any address, it doesn't have any address in QS ranking. What is QS? Cochrane-Simons. Cochrane-Simons, QS, topmost world ranking, agency, topmost world ranking agency, QS rating actually. Some we look, the universities, the students they come, that they have applied for so and so university. But these agencies in Chennai, the brokers who are working behind this, They don't stay actually, and they get much of what to say, that brokerism in those universities which doesn't have address, proper address. So try to understand, you are all professionals. So what is our requirement, and how you want to able to come in your life? What is life? Where you want to make it very strong? Just make it that one actually. Land in a company, work for some time, stabilize yourself, stabilize your family, make them happy, that after your graduation you are able to earn something, and then fly up, and then go for abroad for your MS education. That makes you, that gives you something better, what to say, that to feel happiness in the family. So 4 years you study and you go for another 2 years at MS, and thereafter maybe someday they get job, some they are jobless, even at the some stay, what to say, that places abroad without job, they do some part-time job for their survival, in US, UK or somewhere, Germany, France, whatever, Singapore, whatever it may be, which is not at all of their domain. But whatever you do, some kind of job which is not related to your domain, that you can make some money out of it. But really it is not of yours. That is some job, something part-time. People, they go and they do some kind of service, day-to-day services actually. And say that US currency, UK currency, Singapore currency, all Kuwaiti currency, all these currencies. But what for we are studying, what for our studies actually, what you want to become actually, what you want to become, the ultimate aim. So that you have to make it very strong. So therefore, this institute is known for these skills actually. Only for our aim is to focus on skills. I am telling to you, everybody, that we say that something called beyond classroom teaching. As autonomous, you have to grow. As autonomous, it has to give some impact. It has to give some impact as autonomous what it is. Autonomous doesn't mean that getting a pass mark easily, or autonomous doesn't mean that we provide you a degree. We provide you a degree without taking effort. It is not for that autonomous. Many, they misunderstand, even faculty or students or parents, the society, that they misunderstands the concept of autonomous. Autonomous is to give broad skills for the students community, where we have freedom actually of taking up traveling with the students, by providing much of skills where the industry is required today, the latest technologies that we can introduce for some credits, so that you can learn before autonomous, where we are with affiliated system, following the same syllabus, that may be of old, 10 years old or 15 years old. So old will not work out. That's all outdated. Those are all outdated. The freedom of autonomous is to incorporate the latest technologies in the curriculum. The courses in the curriculum and the syllabus. Right? What is right now required for the industry? See, what is today, it is required next year, that may differ. What is the car that we release today, where they launch, after 3 months that version goes out with some small changes, with the engine design or the wheels, the design or the automation, the efficacy of the system or whatever it may be. Is it right? So therefore, this change is always happening. From morning to evening, when we come in the college, our requirements are changing. Day by day it is changing. Your requirements are changing. Right? So the entire world is moving with the change. The entire world is moving with the change. The entire world was suffering with this virus, Delta virus or this virus, that virus. Virus also has come for the change, Omicron. What is called the Omicron. That is the change that you are going to face. Karnataka, some 2 got tested, positive, Omicron, Karnataka. Today it is there in the paper, newspaper, Omicron. So how to live in this world with the changing requirements? How to live in this world? As of today, what is my requirement? Why I came today for this institute? What is my presence here? What I am doing it today? With a short of time, you don't think that I have so many years. No. Your 4 years, just like that it will go. Your 4 years, just like that it will go. But as an institute, we are very clear that we want to give you skill-oriented, skills or the techniques or the methods. We are talking about all the time skills. This is what we are saying as beyond classroom teaching. A mini project, which is a best practice, unique practice in the institute, mini project for everybody. So, why this mini project is required? A student should know how to carry out the project. Wherever you go in the industry or when you go for MS program at anywhere in the world with different countries, what is a project? When it is assigned, how will you do it? What is the start and end? What is the start and end? Where you start, where you end for a project? What actually the project, the meaning is? Even second years they do not know. A mini project, taking some small problem and arriving for a solution. In between, how you travel with a problem and that of a solution, what are the various steps to be followed for a mini project? A kind of a small task which is given to you. So, really, if you are not innovating something, but you are able to proceed with that by struggling, off the way, you are going to see, this is the problem. Next level, what my mentor says and how to follow. And there is a review, people are conducting it. What questions they are asking with this? How we are answering? If not, how they are advising us to proceed with the problem. Next stage, what it is. With review 2, what is the next stage? In review 3, what is the next stage? Final review, they say, we are arriving for some solution, right? We are arriving for some solution. Project is like this. The same project, the idea, the work actually, you are able to convert in terms of a paper applying for national conference or international conference or to publish in a journal. With the help of our mentors, faculty members who are really guiding you. So therefore, we are saying faculty members also, before giving problem to the students, let us understand first what is the problem. The mini project what you are giving to the students, or if voluntarily students, if they come with their own title and they know well, okay, no problem, let them do it. You just assist with them. Or many of them, they do not know what to do mini project, for which we ourselves are asking our faculty members to search for such of those mini project problems and go through the steps for those mini projects, how to get the solution. What are the stages involved in mini project? These stages you travel with the student, train the student to do the mini project, so that student community will come to know, even not known student also will show some interest to travel with the mini project. My faculty is saying like this to do the project, step by step, okay fine, I am learning something. See, there is no point of throwing you the mini project that you do mini project. No, definitely many of the students doesn't know how to do it. I am advising my deans, heads and faculty members, and even they had a review for faculty members exclusively of with these titles, and then they have taken these problems into the students. Is that right? So that is what is happening. Because we know the student caliber. If some are above average and they can able to predict what that with their ideas, thinking, to do, welcome. It is okay, right? Good. But major, many of the batches, they do not know at second year level or third year level, even at final year level. When these final years will do on their own their project, if they have a practice in doing this mini project from second year onwards, then final years there is no burden of this project actually, because they are getting skills from second year, third year of doing these mini projects. Final year, the way that they can do themselves the mini project in a better way, with a lot of ideas, So what I am trying to say here is that my students also should know the agenda of the institute. What this institute is doing. Just like that, don't come and go without knowing anything. Array, this ITech is doing what now, today, compared to other colleges. How this college is progressing, progressing slowly, the impact, right? So, second thing is value-added programs. Second thing is one mini project, one value-added program, one workshop, something like few IVs or few guest lectures per semester. Minimum, these are all minimum requirement. And club activities and technical society activities, technical professional society activities. So all these things, if you integrate it as a student, definitely you are able to get the required studies. That makes you to feel better. Yes, I know something. You can say at the end of the day, I know something. Yes, I got admitted in a place really where some learning is there. I got an admission in this college for which really they are doing something. No use of it. Degree will not give you a job, proper job. Or with your goal, you cannot do that, you cannot achieve that. Degree alone will not satisfy your requirement. Try to understand. Degree alone will not satisfy your requirement, my dear students. Along with the degree, you require some skills, set of skills. Those skills we want to provide you. When you graduate from this institute, we want to see you that a full-fledged skilled engineer, in your domain, the area. That is what the motto of the institute. If you are doing it properly, if you are executing it step by step, what we do semester wise here, definitely you can come out. You can have a very good future. At any point of time, anywhere if you attend, they feel that this boy has got some skill. It's okay, nice, good. So and so college, right? Attended interview. Oh, nicely they imparted skills. Student is able to say, answer for the questions. Able to understand first for my question. What is the question I am throwing on him? He is able to understand. Trying to explain something. Or just keeping mum. This fellow, what is it? He says that he is engineer, graduated from a college. What is the use, you tell me, biotechians? You are all biotechians. You tell me that what is the use without knowing anything of your biotech, the domain. Without knowing it, when you come out after 4 years, what is the use, you tell me? So come forward as what we are now moving with an agenda. Even if you have some ideas, you bring those ideas. We include in our agenda we include in our agenda those ideas also, so that we can travel both. Only purpose is, this place is for learning. Try to understand, my dear students. Your mind always should think, when we land here in this place, college, not for any other thing. I am telling to you, my dear students, even in fact me, when I enter the campus, my thinking should go that what I am going to do for my students. Not for any kata panchayat, not for any politics, not for any dirty politics, not for any cheating, gambling. Try to understand. We should be very clean. We should be very clean with heart. We are for educating the student community. That is the only aim that I come for this institute. I don't have any other business. The only business is to see that my students are getting more skills. When they go out, they have to say that they are number one. Such a way that we have to impart the knowledge for the students. That is the only aim that I come here. That is what even I advise the same thing to my people, my deans or heads or faculty members, whoever it may be. When I conduct a meeting, my talk will be like this all the time, with everybody. See, because this is the profession. We should have some clean heart. The great learning that makes people to grow and to fly in this world, nook and corner, to be placed in different segments with different industries, So that is what we wanted. That is what I wanted. Nothing else. Purpose cannot be different. When I come here, I cannot go with a different purpose. Coming as a principal, I cannot think some other thing which is not at all required for a principal. What is his caliber, what has to serve for the student community. Right? As a principal, what has to be done for these students, what has to be done for this faculty community, how to empower both faculty and students in terms of learning. As an academician, pure academician, if he or she is very honest, including student community, really if you are coming for learning, we have to focus on learning. That makes you much more, you will become, much more matured to think many other things actually, that you can achieve many more things in your life. Only learning gives a person to become successful, in life. Nothing else. Only with, learning. Reading many books, taking up some technologies, becoming as gem, yourself, and traveling in that way, that only makes you something, great. Not by any other thing in this world. Today, Google Sundar Pichai, only with this knowledge, technology, only with this knowledge, hard work, smart work, all kinds of work, he is leading the world today, only with his IQ. The power, knowledge is power, nothing else. We should think of such great people actually today. We have to inspire. Aspire actually for something. Without which how will you achieve? Dream cannot be just like that. With the dream, nothing, not able to achieve. How will you achieve? We have to travel. With lot of things. You need to have something in your mind. You have to work like that to achieve something. சும்மா எப்படி கிடைக்கும் எல்லாமே வந்துட்டு ஓசியில வந்துட்டு எதுவுமே கிடைக்காது வாழ்க்கையில். Try for something, do for something, work for something. If you are honest, really, everything you will get it in life. If you are really honest, really you are doing something, really you will get it something. We say you are deserved something, you are deserved for something. Yes, really. You got it something right, you are deserved for that. Because your hard work is there. Because you are working for that. Because you are working for that, you are doing for that. You are making out things to happen. Right? Definitely. It comes in life. No doubt in that. So therefore, this institute, very clearly I am saying to you that traveling with skills. As autonomous, this institute, even I started long back, but specifically I can say that with this autonomous concept, we want to travel with skills. We want to travel with skills for the students. That's what we are naming it as a beyond classroom teaching. Beyond classroom teaching. So beyond classroom teaching, sir, you tell me, sir, what is I am learning here today? You can ask your people in the department. Sir, principal is always saying, sir, with the mic, what is beyond something he says. What is this, sir? What is this trick, sir? Beyond the classroom, inside the classroom, outside the classroom. What is it, sir? Inside the classroom, outside the classroom, what is the business, sir? What is this? Try to understand. You go with people, you meet people and ask, many things. Sir, what is it? Please give me some clarity on this. Please give me some clarity on this. What is that I am learning in the classroom? What is I am learning out of this classroom? Out of this classroom. So you have to be very, what to say, you have to understand the concept. You don't just like that come and running the days. And the exams has come and write the exams and go, right, okay, over next semester is coming actually, again the same timetable, float it, all these things. Now today, I was saying to my first year dean, right, from yesterday, last 3 days, first semester of first year, to learn the communication is very important. That is special for first year students, first semester. Why you go with second, third year? Start from scratch, first semester of first year. What is communication? How a student should speak when he comes to the dais? How we face the world? How to talk in front of others? A simple communication. I don't want a beautiful English. I want just like that, a technical English, something like that. How a person can communicate so that others can understand. So you make the first semester students to get out of this fear of speaking, with this ordinary English. I don't want Oxford. You make it Indian, what to say that English. That how can they communicate with the minimum requirement? Why they have to struggle when they go to final year, when they go for interviews and facing the problem with the panel members, group discussion, all these things. Make my first year now, first semester, let them all come out with this fear. If anybody we call here, let them speak whatever they want. We have introduced an hour, weekly 2 hours, and a weekly 2 hours placement training skills, 4 hours per week. 4 hours per week for first semester students, of training them and molding them. So make something like that useful in the institute. Always you think for the students. Make them to nurture something, meaningfully. As they come for the institute, they do not know what is engineering. try to make them to understand what is engineering. Everybody says that today many lakhs and lakhs of graduates are unemployed. No job for them. How they get the job? If I don't give practice for like this for students from first year to final year, if I don't take such targets, if I don't fix, if I don't give such learning, how my student will get placed in great companies? You tell me that. So my role is important here to impart for the student, right? I have to plan for that. I need to have some strategy for that, to give learning for the student, Without learning, how I blame my student that he is not getting job in the industry? Is it right or not? My point. How can I blame my student that he or she is not getting a job in the industry? No. Have you given good learning for the student in the institute so that you say thereafter that he or she did not get the placement? First you try to understand what kind of learning that you are providing for the student. Make them to understand. You give such learning, definitely they will go through. That confidence I have actually. So I am requesting everybody, all my faculty members, to travel with students, to get benefit, to give more of knowledge for my students. The only agenda, that is the only agenda in the institute. Nothing else. We don't have any other business. We come here for that one business, that's all. Imparting skills. Their ends matter. I don't have any other business. I think the same thing for my faculty also. There is no other business. When you come here, you bind with them, you travel with them, okay? You guide them, you make them, nurture them. At the end of the day, they should feel that happy that I am learned much more things here, so that I got settled. This college has done for me something right, good. When you go out, you have to say that this college has done something good. You don't tell me that the great principal, you don't tell that. The credit goes to everybody, not me. Because everybody, when they work, those inputs only you are taking it actually, right? So it is all, everybody is taking into part. So all are making something, doing something for you. So that credit goes to everybody. In the institute. So, my dear students, try to understand the goal of coming here. Don't make something nuisance when you come here of wasting your time. As and when that you reach, you put your leg here. Just when you walk in, when you enter into the gate, try to understand, I entered here for learning something. Not for any other thing. அவங்களோட போனேன், இவங்களோட போனேன், ட்ரிபிளிக்காரங்களோட போனேன், கெமிக்கல்காரனோட போனேன், மெக்கு கூட போனேன், அங்கே போய் சுற்றினேன், அங்கே பிடிச்சிட்டாங்க என்ன வந்துட்டு என்கொயரிக்கு வர சொன்னாங்க. வேண்டவே வேண்டாம் வந்தது பர்பஸ் என்ன? தேவையில்லாத இடத்துக்கு அங்கே போய் நின்னா, அந்த கார்டரில் நின்னா, இந்த பேரப்பட் வாலில் பிடிச்சிட்டு இருந்தேன், அங்கே போய் நின்றுட்டு இருந்தேன். எதுக்கு தலையெழுத்தா அவன் போனான், இவன் வந்தான், இவன் என்கொயரி, எதுக்கு? யார் சாப்பாடு போடுறான் நமக்கு வந்துட்டு? நம்ம அப்பா அம்மா நமக்கு சாப்பாடு போடுறாங்க, கரெக்டா இல்லையா? கஷ்டப்பட்டு வழி அனுப்புறாங்க, நம்மளை வந்துட்டு கஷ்டப்பட்டு படிக்க வைக்கிறாங்க, கண்ணீர் சிந்தி படிக்க வைக்கிறாங்க, பல லட்சங்கள் செலவு பண்றாங்க. ஏன் நம்ம ஏமாத்தணும் எல்லாரையும் வந்துட்டு? நம்மளை ராஜா மாதிரி வழி அனுப்புறாங்க. டைம் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னா வண்டியில கொண்டு வந்து பஸ் ஸ்டாண்ட்ல விடுறாங்க, பஸ் காலேஜ் பஸ்க்கு வந்துட்டு. முடியலன்னு சொன்னா கால் டாக்ஸி புக் பண்ணிட்டு போன்னு சொல்லி 300 ரூபாய் கொடுக்குறாங்க. எங்கிருந்து வருது 300 ரூபாய் பணம்? சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். கண்ணில் தண்ணி வரும். இன்ஃபேக்ட் ஃபார் மை சன், நானும் அந்த வேலையை தான் பண்றேன். காசு எங்கிருந்து வரும்? கொட்டுதா மழை நமக்கு ஏதாவது வந்துட்டு? பணம் எங்கேயாவது காய்க்குதா மரத்துல வந்துட்டு? என்னோட பையனுக்கும் அந்த மாதிரி தான் அனுப்புறேன் வந்துட்டு. கால் டாக்ஸி புக் பண்றோம், ஏதோ பண்றோம். என் ஒய்ஃப் இது பண்ண சப்போர்ட் பண்ணுது, நான் சப்போர்ட் பண்றேன். 2 பேரால முடியலன்னு சொன்னா கால் டாக்ஸி புக் பண்றோம், என்னென்னமோ பண்றோம். யாருக்காக? பிள்ளைங்களுக்காக. அவங்க நல்லா படிக்கணும், நல்லா முன்னுக்கு வரணும், ஃபியூச்சர்ல வந்துட்டு நம்மளை விட இன்னும் பெட்டரா இருக்கணும். எப்படி திங்கிங் பாருங்க, நம்மளை விட இன்னும் பெட்டரா இருக்கணும் நம்ம பிள்ளைங்க. மனசு அப்படிதான் போகுது இல்ல? அப்படி எல்லா அப்பா அம்மாவுக்கும் அப்படித்தானே இருக்கும். என்ன மாதிரி தானே எல்லா அப்பா அம்மாவுக்கும் இருக்கும். கரெக்டா இல்லையா? ஒத்துங்க, உண்மை ஒத்துங்க. அப்போ என் பையன் என்னை ஏமாத்தினா நான் என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணுவேன்? என் கண்ணில் தண்ணி வருமா வராது? என் பையன் எனக்கு தெரியாம ஏதோ ஒரு தப்பு பண்றான்டான்னா அப்ப என் கண்ணில் தண்ணி வருமா வராது? சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். வந்துட்டு அப்போ நான் நினைக்கிறேன் வந்துட்டு இந்த மாதிரி பிள்ளைகள் எதையாவது தெரியாம வந்து பண்றாங்க, அப்பா அம்மாவை ஏமாத்துறாங்கன்னு சொன்னா அந்த அப்பா அம்மா கண்ணில் வந்து எவ்வளவு தண்ணீர் வரும்? அந்த அப்பா அம்மா கண்ணில் எவ்வளவு தண்ணீர் வரும்? எவ்வளவு சப்போர்ட் பண்றாங்க. நம்ம ஏமாத்தலாமா? அம்மா அப்பாவை வந்து நம்ம ஏமாத்தலாமா? கரெக்டா இல்லை? ஒருபோதும் நம்ம வந்து ஏமாத்தலாமா? அப்பா அம்மாவை வந்துட்டு ஏமாத்தவே கூடாது. எதுவா இருந்தாலும் உண்மை சொல்லிடலாம். அப்பா நான் இந்த தப்பு பண்ணிட்டேன், நான் என்னால செய்ய மாட்டேன், அது நியாயம். எஸ், இதையும் இருக்கு எனக்கு வந்துட்டு. நான் உண்மை பேசுறேன், அப்பா அம்மா கூட தப்பா நினைக்க மாட்டேன். ஏன்னா பையன் சொல்லிட்டான் வந்துட்டு, இல்ல பொண்ணு சொல்லிட்டாங்க வந்துட்டு, இல்லப்பா இன்னும் நடக்காதுப்பா, தெரியாம நான் வந்து சென்டென்ஸ் பண்ணுது, நோ வியர் ஆஃப்டர் நோ. அப்போ ரொம்ப அப்பா சந்தோஷப்படுறோம், ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். இப்போ என் பையன் வந்து ஓப்பனா இருக்காங்க, எப்படி என் பொண்ணு ரொம்ப ஓப்பன், எதுவாக இருந்தாலும் மூஞ்சி மேல சொல்லுவோம் வந்துட்டு, தப்புன்னா தப்பு, ரைட்னா ரைட். கரெக்டா இல்லையா? அப்போ நம்ம தெரியாம ஏமாத்துறதுக்கு நம்மளை ஏமாத்திக்கிறோம், வாழ்க்கையில நம்மளை ஏமாத்திக்கிறோம், அவ்வளவுதான், வேற ஒன்றும் கிடையாது. ஆக்சுவலா வந்துட்டு அது உங்க ஃபியூச்சருக்கு வந்து ஒரு பாட்டில் நிற்கு. ஆக்சுவலா வாழ்க்கையில முன்னேறதுக்கு உனக்கு ஒரு பாட்டில் நிற்காது. ஏன்னா பொய் பேசி பேசி பொய்யே உண்மையா பேசுறோம் நம்ம. ஒரு காலத்துல என்ன ஆயிடுது, பொய்யே உண்மையாயிடுது, ஹிஸ்டரி ஆயிடுது வந்துட்டு. உண்மை பேசி அது வந்து ஹிஸ்டரி பண்ணலாம், ஆக்சுவலா வந்துட்டு வரலாற்றுல கொண்டு வரலாம் அது வந்துட்டு. ஆனா பொய்யே வந்து உண்மையாவே பேசி பேசி பொய்யே உண்மையாக்கிட்டா எப்படி வாழ்க்கையில எப்படி முன்னேற முடியும்? அப்போ கடைசியில ஏமாந்துட்டு, அப்போ நம்ம இவ்வளவு நாள் ஏமாத்திட்டோம், அப்போ உண்மையாவே ஏமாத்திட்டோம் அப்பா அம்மாவை நம்ம வந்துட்டு. இன்னைக்கு நம்மளும் அழுகிறோம், அப்பா அம்மையும் அழ வச்சுக்கிறோம், காலத்துக்கும் வந்துட்டு அப்பா அம்மையும் அழ வைக்கிறோம். ஏன்னா நம்ம முன்னேறல, நமக்கு சரியான வேலை கிடையாது, நமக்கு சரியான வேலை கிடையாது. அப்பா அம்மா சொல்லும் போதெல்லாம் பொய் பேசிட்டோம், நிறைய பேர்கிட்ட பொய் பேசிட்டோம், நம்ம வந்துட்டு உண்மை பேசல. இன்னைக்கு வந்து கஷ்டப்படுறோம். நம்மளை பார்த்து நம்ம அப்பா அம்மாவும் நம்ம எவ்வளவு செலவு பண்ணுமே பசங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு, இவ்வளவு லட்சம் கொட்டணுமே வந்து படிச்சுட்டு ஒரு நல்ல வேலைக்கு போயிடுவான்னு சொல்லிட்டு இன்னைக்கு இப்படி வந்து நின்ட்டானே. நமக்கு தெரிஞ்ச பையன் சேர்த்தாங்களே, அவன் வந்து 5 லட்சத்துல உட்காந்துருக்கானே கம்பெனில வந்துட்டு, நம்ம என்ன பாவம் பண்ணோம்? ஆண்டவன் ஏன் இப்படி சரி செய்யறான் நம்மளுக்கு வந்துட்டு? அப்ப நம்ம பண்ண பாவமா இது? வேண்டாத கோயில் கிடையாது, படி ஏறாத இடம் கிடையாது. ஆக்சுவலா வந்துட்டு வேண்டி 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 தேம்பி தேம்பி அழுது என்ன புண்ணியம்? ஸோ இதையெல்லாம் வந்து நம்ம மக்கள், அருமை நண்பர்கள், ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் வந்து மனசுல வச்சுக்கணும். எப்பவுமே நம்ம அப்பா அம்மா வந்துட்டு ஏமாற்றக்கூடாது, அவங்க தான் தெய்வங்கள், அவங்க தான் இந்த அளவுக்கு வந்து கூப்பிட்டு இந்த ஆள்கிட்ட இருந்து இன்னைக்கு நான் உங்க முன்னாடி பேசுறேன்னு சொன்னா காரணம் யாரு? அந்த அப்பா அம்மா தான் காரணம். அப்போ அவங்கள ஏமாத்தலாமா? அவங்க வந்து எஜுகேட்டடோ இல்ல வந்து அன்எஜுகேட்டடோ இல்ல ஒரு மாடரேட்டா படிச்சிருக்காங்களோ, எப்படி படிச்சிருக்காங்களோ அது வேற விஷயம், இம்மெட்டீரியல். என் அப்பா படிப்பில்லாத ஆள் தான் வந்துட்டு, புரியுதா இல்லைங்களா? அப்ப அவர் படிக்கலன்னு சொல்லலாம், ஏமாத்துறதா? அன்எஜுகேட்டட், மை ஃபாதர் இஸ் அன்எஜுகேட்டட், ரைட், அவர் ஒரு விவசாயி அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நான் வந்து அவரை ஏமாத்துறதா? சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். வந்துட்டு மனசாட்சி இருக்கா அப்ப வந்துட்டு? அப்போ அவர் விவசாயத்திலிருந்து கஷ்டப்பட்டு கொடுக்குற ஒவ்வொரு 100 ரூபாயும் அதோட பெயின் தெரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு என்னால முடிஞ்சது நான் படிச்சேன், அவ்வளவுதான் உண்மை. அப்போ இங்க பெயின் குத்துது நமக்கு வந்துட்டு, நம்ம அப்பாவை நம்ம ஏமாத்தக்கூடாது, அவர் கஷ்டப்படுறாரு நமக்காக வந்துட்டு. ஓகே, விவசாயத்துல வருமானம் அதிகமா வராது, விவசாயத்துல வருமானம் அதிகமா வராது, வீட்டுக்கு வர்றதே பெரிய விஷயம், வீட்டு செலவுக்கு வர்றதே பெரிய விஷயம், நம்மள எப்படி படிக்க போடுவாங்க இந்த வர்ற வருமானத்துல வந்துட்டு? அப்போ தப்பு, நம்ம அதிகமா செலவு பண்ணக்கூடாது, எப்படி எல்லாம் வந்து கொடுக்குறத வச்சுக்கிட்டு நம்ம அட்ஜஸ்ட் பண்ணி வாழணும். சென்னையில எப்படி வந்து நம்ம வந்துட்டு படிக்க போறோம், அப்ப நிறைய வந்து நம்ம நிர்பந்திக்க கூடாது. அப்பா அம்மா வந்துட்டு காசு அடிக்கடி எல்லாம் கேட்கக்கூடாது, காசு அடிக்கடி எல்லாம் கேட்கக்கூடாது, புத்தத்தை வச்சுக்கிட்டே மேனேஜ் பண்ணணும். முடியாத பட்சத்துல வந்துட்டு தான் வந்து வாயை திறக்கணும். எப்படிங்க? ஸோ இதுதான் வாழ்க்கை, இதுதான் வாழ்க்கை. இப்படி வாழ்றவங்க தான் வந்து உண்மையிலேயே வந்துகிட்டு புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு, அப்பா அம்மாவுடைய கஷ்டத்தை புரிஞ்சுக்கிட்டு நடந்துக்கிறாங்க. ரைட்டு, புரியுதா இல்லையா? ஸோ அந்த மாதிரி இது வந்து நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து பெருசா ஞானி மாதிரி எல்லாம் அட்வைஸ் பண்ண விரும்புறேன். ஆனா காலகட்டம் அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு, இப்ப இருக்கிற சூழ்நிலை அந்த மாதிரி இருக்கு. கஷ்டமே தெரியாம வளர்றாங்க பசங்க வந்து. அப்பா அம்மா சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க, வெளியில சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க கஷ்டத்தை பசங்களுக்கு வந்து. ஏன்னா இந்த கஷ்டத்தை நம்ம இந்த வயசுலயே அவங்க வந்து உள்ள கொண்டு போயிடக்கூடாது, அவங்க படிப்பு போயிடும், படிப்புல கவனம் வராது அவங்களுக்கு வந்துட்டு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவங்க வந்து கஷ்டத்தை வந்து பசங்க கிட்ட ஷேர் பண்றது இல்லை நிறைய. அது ஒரு தப்பு தான், பெரிய தப்பு ஆக்சுவலா வந்து. ஷேர் பண்ணணும். இன்ஃபேக்ட் ஐ யூஸ் டு சே டு மை சன், every day what I face the problem actually, all those things I am explaining to my son. அப்போ என் அப்பா எப்படி எல்லாம் எனக்காக கஷ்டப்பட்டாரோ அப்போ உனக்காக நான் எப்படி எல்லாம் வந்து கஷ்டப்படுறேன் அப்படின்றது வந்து தெரியணும் பசங்களுக்கு வந்து. என் அப்பா கஷ்டப்பட்டு என்ன இந்த அளவுக்கு வளர்த்திருக்காரு வந்துட்டு, நான் உன்னை கஷ்டப்பட்டு இப்ப நான் உன்னை வளர்க்குறேன் ஆக்சுவலா வந்துட்டு. அப்ப நீ என்ன மாதிரி இருக்கணும், நீ என்ன மாதிரி இருக்கணும். அப்போ கஷ்டம் தெரியாம வாழ்ந்துடக்கூடாது வாழ்க்கையில வந்து, கஷ்டம் தெரியாம வாழ்க்கையில வாழ்ந்துடக்கூடாது. அப்ப யாருமே வந்து நியாயமா இருக்கணும், ஏமாத்திடக்கூடாது. அப்பா அம்மா வந்துட்டு ஏமாத்திடக்கூடாது ஆக்சுவலா வந்துட்டு. நாளைக்கும் நீங்க ஒரு நேரத்துல வந்து அதே ஸ்டேஜ்ல இருக்க போறீங்க. இதெல்லாம் சைக்கிள் தான், ப்ராசஸ் வந்துட்டு. அவர் இன்னைக்கு அப்பா, நீங்க ஒரு நாளைக்கு அப்பா, புரியுதா இல்லையா? அதே மாதிரிதான் வரும் சைக்கிள் திருப்பி வந்துட்டு. நம்மளும் கஷ்டப்படுவோம், ஒவ்வொரு ஜெனரேஷனும் அந்த மாதிரி வந்து கஷ்டத்திலேயே இருக்கும் ஆக்சுவலா வந்து. ஐயோ போய் பேசுறான்னு இன்னைக்கு நம்ம போய் பேசுறோம் நம்ம அப்பா அம்மா கிட்ட, நாளைக்கு நம்ம கிட்ட வர்றவங்க போய் பேச போறாங்க அதே அப்பா அம்மா கிட்ட வந்துட்டு. இது என்ன இன்னி கூட போற கதையா வந்துட்டு? இந்த யுகம் இருக்கிற வரையும் இது நடந்துட்டு தான் இருக்கும் ஆக்சுவலா. ஆனா அது நடக்காம வந்து நம்ம வந்து ஸ்மூத்தா எப்படி வந்து லைஃப் ஃபேஸ் பண்ணணும்ன்றதான் தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் ஆக்சுவலா வந்து. ஸோ வித் திஸ் த கிரேட் டே நோ பயோடெக்கியான்ஸ் நிறைய பேசிட்டேன், 10 நிமிஷம் பேசணுன்றதுக்கு நிறைய பேசிட்டேன். பட் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் இன் லைஃப். This is very, very important in life. I want to convey to my students wherever, whichever the department, when I get a chance to address, because this is very important. Okay. Therefore, make use of this Biotechians Club and involve actually and explore your talents. See that what the skills you are getting it actually. Many more events you conduct through this Biotechians Club. Okay, right? Make use of this club, right? Remarkably, this club should talk much more things. Okay, as Biotechians, we have named it actually Biotechians. Okay, so great thing actually. I appreciate the efforts taken by the department head and the members of the department and the school dean and associate dean and everybody who are behind this, and the coordinators, mainly student coordinators, the president, the treasurer, vice president of this Biotechians. யாரெல்லாம் அதெல்லாம் நிறைய இருக்காங்க மக்கள், அவங்களுக்கு நிறைய கை தட்டுங்க. Student coordinators, really students are taking a lot of effort to comparing, madam is doing a lot of comparing actually on the beautiful English, beautiful English she is comparing actually on it. Great actually, really great to hear the voice of the students here when they come and talk really good English, That is how we are empowering the students. Best example I can say. That is how we are empowering the students. Try to understand. இந்த மைக்ல நான் வந்து பேசின நேரம் மட்டும் கேட்டுட்டு காதுல இந்த காதுல வாங்கி இந்த காதுல விடாம யாரெல்லாம் வந்துட்டு காதுக்கு வெளியில போகல சார், மைண்ட்ல தான் இருக்கு சார் கண்டிப்பா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அதை வச்சுக்கிட்டு அந்த கஷ்டத்தை வச்சுக்கிட்டு அப்படியே மேல வந்தீங்கன்னு சொன்னா நீங்க எங்கேயோ போயிருவீங்க. So thanks for the opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your eternal support throughout the session. To finally move on or start something new, you must release the unchangeable past and embrace the future. Now I request our principal, Dr. E. Kamla Nabin, and all the dignitaries on the dais to release the annual magazine of Biotechians 2021, Biozine, and also grace this occasion for the release of Biotechians 2021 AV.
Sir? Baru sir? Okay.
As we express our gratitude, we must never forget the highest appreciation is not to utter words, but to respectfully live by them. I request our respectful Sir, Dr. D. Yuvraj, Professor and Dean of Biotech and Chemical Engineering, to address the gathering.
So I don't want to take much time. Respected Principal Sir, Deans, Associate Deans, Heads, Deputies, I cordially invite you all for this occasion. Because Principal had given you a lot of things to put in your mind. So there is nothing else which I can again talk to you to take into yourself. But utilize this platform as Sir suggested. This is particularly meant to exhibit your talents, to bring out your talents, to speak in front of people mainly, to bring your skills in writing, bring your skills in quizzing. So whatever activities our friends have made as final years, kindly try to participate in all the events. All the events, you win or not, that doesn't matter. Results definitely don't matter right now. Your participation and the process is much more important than any of that. So make use of it. Nothing else to say. This is just a journey, and in fact, I should also tell about this Biotechions. It's the flagship event of our department. So it was actually conceived and culminated by our own Dr. Sai Ramesh, efficiently supported by Manager Derek. It was brought into life because Biotechions as it is, இது வந்து ஒரு event கிடையாது, இது ஒரு சரித்திரம் மாதிரி. Because when it started initially, it had brought down many lives together. இது இருந்தவங்களுக்கு தெரியும், but most of the people don't know. The initial stage when Biotechion was inaugurated, there were many losses of life, including our own Jayalalitha madam. அப்போலேருந்தே இந்த Biotechions மேலே எங்களுக்கு ஒரு தனி ஈர்ப்பு உண்டு. It was இதை நடத்தாதீங்க, நடத்தினா ஏதாவது பிரச்சனை வந்துட போது அது தள்ளி நிறைய தடவை போச்சு. But this time, fortunately enough, everything went well, and we hope and we trust everything will go well again. So enjoy these 2 days of knowledge sharing as well as have fun. Fun definitely இருக்கும். Along with the fun, automatically you put in yourself into all the events, enjoy the days, participate, and finally succeed. All the best. Take care.
Sir, success at work starts by adopting the attitude. Now I request Mr. Nyanashekharan Sir, the head of the Department of Biotechnology, to share a few words to the gathering.
I welcome all the dignitaries on the dais and also the students of the second year, third year and the final year. So these 2 days we specially organized for the students' interaction and to share your ideas and thoughts and presentations. So I don't want to take much time because it's already a lunch time. Most of them feel hungry. So I will just give a brief introduction of this 2 days program. So the programs is being conducted for especially for the second years, third years and also the first years, the newly joined the Department of Biotechnology. So it is a platform for you all to share your knowledge, as been mentioned by Dr. Yuvraj sir and also the principal sir. So you give your ideas, your thoughts and you interact well. So if you interact well and you develop your skills here, so we also will be sending outside for the international conference and other webinars which is being conducted through the reputed colleges. So you develop your knowledge and your thinking and presentations so that when you go outside you can prove yourself and get the laurels for the college. So that is our ultimate aim. So we want you to shine in your life and also along with you the college also should grow well. So that is the main motto. Okay. So with this you will be learning the presentation skills, your communication skill and also to face when you go for the group discussions. All these things you will be learning in these 2 days. Make use this platform and make your career in a development way. I also thank Dr. Sai Ramesh for giving the opportunities for the students and the final year students who have done a lot of effort in organizing. So we will again meet the afternoon session so that the rest of the program will be continuing. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you.
So much, sir. Biotechons 2021 officially begins. All the best to all the participants and let's all have fun. Thank you.
the